This video is for you Vanagon lovers out there. A couple of days ago, I went ahead and did a thing. I purchased a Westfalia Vanagon with the weekender layout. That's the one that has a table and no kitchenette. It's a 1985, pretty good condition. I feel lucky to have gotten this van. I've got one that's a major project that I've never gotten to. It's a Subaru engine swap. And who knows, depending on how this one turns out, maybe I'll do the small car engine swap on this Vanagon. But for right now, I just want to go take a look at it, tinker with it, see what I can do. The van's been sitting for quite a while, so it's not roadworthy right now. I want to do a few things right off the bat, like change the fuel lines and reseal all that stuff to avoid the common fire issues with Vanagons. The most pressing problem right now is the clutch. The pedal is stuck, so I'll take care of that. Today, though, I just want to see if I can get it running. All right, I've just arrived at the location where my Vanagon is. Let's go check it out. Chickens. Do. Let's do this. There she blows. Okay, here's a quick tour of the Vanagon. I was able to get it to run for a little bit and turned it off. I just wanted to hear it run. Here's the interior. Like I said, it's a 1985. It's the Weekender, which if you're not familiar with the Weekender package, it doesn't have the kitchen, but it's got this little table and the extra seat. It still pops up and has the bed up top, and the couch actually is full width and will go flat and make a bed as well. There's just a little pull thing here. It's got the skylight. I did find a crack here in the fiberglass. I'm gonna have to figure out how to repair that. The slide door works well. All the doors work well. There's very little rust, just a few little spots, but for its age, it's actually a pretty good example. I've got this just up to, so just in case, just so it can air out. But the cushion looks good. The engine looks real good. I'm not going to bother with that right now. It opens and closes. A little bit of body damage. Looks like maybe they had a bike rack or something on there. I don't know. I'll leave it open, let it air out. It's already smelling better than it did when it was found. Panels are in pretty good shape. Need a couple little things here and there. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's kind of dark in here, but the mileage says 151,802. It is a manual, 4-speed. Has the original radio, Volkswagen design, probably made by Blaupunkt. And it even came with a spare AC compressor. And it is a Wolfsburg edition, so you get this little emblem, which is cool. This is a Waterboxer or a Wasserboxer, so it is water cooled. And these are the original wheels. I do have the hubcaps, a full set, and they're in excellent shape. I also have a set of Mercedes wheels that fit the Vanagon that are 15-inch rims, and I'm probably just going to put those on this Vanagon so I can get the the better ride that you get with the 15-inch rim. That's it for the tour of the Vanagon. If you want to watch me make improvements and get it back up to roadworthiness, please be sure to follow and hit the little bell if you're on YouTube, and you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching the 5 Able channel. 101, 10 and 0.